You don't need a face. You don't need a camera. You don't need to be photogenic, famous, or ready to expose your life to strangers online. You just need to understand one thing. Faceless YouTube channels are quietly building six-figure incomes. By 2026, they might completely replace what we call side hustles. And no, this isn't speculation. This is already happening in 2026. While some people are grinding 9-to-5 jobs,
thinking YouTube is only for vloggers,
others are building silent money machines behind the scenes. Here's something that might surprise you. Faceless YouTube channels generated over $1.2 billion in ad revenue last year alone. Not influencers. Not celebrities. Just ordinary people. Creators often use stock footage to enhance their videos. AI and text on screen helps highlight key points. Let me tell you about a channel called Thoughty2. No face reveal, no daily vlogs. Just fascinating facts. Today, over 16 million subscribers. Estimated revenue, $2 to $4 million per year from ads alone. You don't know their face. You don't know their age. You don't even know where they live. And yet, they're earning more than neurosurgeons. Here's what's changing. AI tools are making content creation faster than ever. Stock footage is unlimited. Voiceovers can sound human, even emotional. And YouTube's algorithm? It doesn't care about your face. It cares about watch time, retention, engagement. So here's my question to you. If strangers are building silent six-figure businesses without showing their face, what's really stopping you? 2026 won't wait. And the faceless creators? They're already building.